Sniffle snog, not a laughing matter.
Okay, I am here to talk to you about sniffle snog. This is a very serious disease where your nose grows massively out of proportion. You can't breathe. Then you have to either get surgery or you die. If you don't live close enough to a hospital, you're pretty much going to die. So say your goodbyes, but it'll sound like this. Bye-bye. Because your nose will be stuffed up, and you won't be able to breathe out of it. Okay.
Which is not a laughing matter.
Anyways, okay, I will show you some pictures. This nurse has sniffle snog. She doesn't have sniffle snog anymore because she lives close to a hospital and she got surgery and stuff. And then, now that her nose is all regular size, she works on people with sniffle snog. Like in this picture where she's working on sniffle snog. That guy, he has a serious case of people, and they're sucking his nose through that tube.
Which is not a laughing matter.
Shut up!
No, it's not a laughing matter.
Shut up!
Which is not a laughing matter.
Okay. Anyway. Well, that's pretty much all I have to say.
Sniffle snog is not a laughing matter.